All this long I've been posting indicator based strategies, but when it comes to indicator based strategies, they all have one thing in common, which is almost all indicators, they lag behind prices. That is why when you depend on indicators alone, you can never really make profitable trades all the time. Yes, they might work at some times, but sometimes they can make you lose more money. So this is why I've decided to make a new playlist called price action entire course. So in this playlist, I'm going to be making everything you need to know, or everything I know about price action. So if you do not know what price action trading is a method of day trading where you make decisions about trades based on price movement rather than on indicators derived from the technical analysis. So instead of just depending on the indicators based on technical analysis, you can as well use price action, which is a method of day trading where you make decisions about trades. So you make decisions based on price movement. Okay, so this is exactly what you're going to learn. You're going to learn everything so that you can combine both price action and indicators and even get to make better decisions when trading. So as I said, this is going to be a playlist. So for you to make use of this playlist, all you have to do is first of all start by subscribing to this channel. Okay, so why should you subscribe to this channel? Because you need to be notified whenever I post a new video. So instead of creating maybe a 5-hour one single video, I would rather create videos in between 5 and 10 minutes so that you can get to learn and understand better. And of course, it's going to be free. No wonder it's on YouTube. The second step you have to do is turning on. Okay, so why should you turn on notifications? Because the YouTube algorithm has really changed. Just by subscribing alone is not enough. Sometimes when you even subscribe to a channel, you might find that you still miss other notifications about the new videos. Yeah, that's common, that usually happens. So for you to make sure that you never miss any video from me, you have to click on the bell icon. When you click on that, simply click on all notifications. This means that whenever I post any video, you'll be notified immediately and you'll be able to watch the videos. So once you are done with that, if you've got anyone interested in that, feel free to share the playlist link. So the link for the playlist will be in the description. So if you're watching this video at a later date, let's say in 2022, I'm sure by that time I might have made about 30 plus videos on price action. So simply go to the playlist and start watching and start learning. Okay, so in the playlist I'll try all my best to explain as I explain in other videos in simple terms so that you can get to understand, and this playlist is suitable for beginners. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye, see you tomorrow.